Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Excuse me if my eyes look watery, I just put my contacts in. But anywho, I want to dip into Heart Revolution. I have a new palette by them. It's called Heart Revolution Revo-Pooches. So it's this cute little doggy palette. And then this is the colors that it comes in. So I want to dip into this palette and give you guys a review. It's been out for a minute, but I just wanted to dip into it since it's brand new and review it for you guys. So if you guys want to see how this look is going to turn out, keep on watching. And also this hair is was custom colored by me. I had bleached it and did 3 different colors. This wig is about a year old, and I'm just now I wear it every now and then, but I'm just now I guess filming with it. I will insert pictures after this showing you guys how I wore it one day I had without, but I think I did a makeup tutorial. No, I don't think I did. I should have had. But yeah, we're gonna dip into this palette. So if you want to see how that looks, how this look turns out, keep on watching. And also, if you're new to this channel, please feel free to check it out. If you like what you see, subscribe. And to returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys. So yeah, let's jump into it. So the first shade I want to go in with is called Doggo, which is this orange shade right here in the palette. I'm just going to put this on. I'm going to use this as my transition shade and also my background shade. Alright, so far that shade looks pretty good. It looks kind of like the same color in the pan. It's just a tad lighter on me. So I'm going to finish the other eye and I'll be right back. So based on the look that I'm going for today, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm going to be using the P. Louise base. I used this to also put base on my eyelids, just in case I didn't mention it. I'm not sure if I mentioned it or not. So I'm going to go in with Hound Dog. I'm going to go in with this color because to me it matches my hair. And I don't want this look to be off because otherwise it won't match today. And I plan on going to the park with my kids. First off, so first I'm going to go in with the shade called Bone. I'm just going to go in with this shade to dry out the base. And excuse me if y'all hear the noise outside. I have my window open and people don't know how to use a phone, so I apologize. But I'm gonna go in with the shade called Hound Dog. I'm gonna probably put that in the middle part of my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna go in with Fur Baby. Alright, so I finished it with both eyes. I'm not sure if I should have did this shade or not, but I don't know. It is what it is. So next I'm gonna go in with, I guess, Puffy Love to Blend. I'm gonna see how that turns out. I hope I'm not messing this look up, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyeliner on. So this is how it's looking. I hope y'all can see it on camera, but I'm going to be using my NYX matte eyeliner. I'm also going to be using Inglot. I'm going to use NYX first and put Inglot on top. And I use Inglot because to me it makes it look blacker. Alright, I have my lashes done. Next I'm going to do my face and I'll be right back. Next I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to use Bart. So I'm going to do it underneath here. Next I'm about to go in with my fave, my Kat Von D, which is Crucifix and Double Dare. Alright, so I'm finished. This is the final look. This is how it's looking. This is popping, y'all, straight popping. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into the details on this palette. So as always, I do enjoy using Heart Revolution. I think they're the same thing. But yeah, I do enjoy their palettes. Sometimes colors are not as pigmented, but sometimes they are. But to me, for the price point, you do get a good quality palette. I believe this is only, was it $9 or $8? I don't believe it was that much, but it was very affordable. This is a cute palette. It comes with like 3D art, and then it comes with colors that to match the theme that they have. This is very, ooh, excuse my food. This is very pretty. So I really did enjoy this palette. I don't think I had any fallout. The colors did mesh well. The shimmers mixed really well. They are soft, and I really like soft shimmers because it's easy for me to apply them to my eye. Some of the shimmers are like kind of hard, but I didn't use those. But I still don't have a problem with that. I will still get it to work for me. So overall, I do like this palette. I don't have any cons with it. And yeah, I just love it. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you all have a happy Monday and see you guys later. Bye.